plinth beam steel details. 9" by 12" plinth beam with top two numbers 12 bars and bottom two 12 bars. Top extra provided at column beam junction. At center. This span is 15 feet long and steel details are 2 bars plus 2 at bottom and with 116 extra at bottom. This span is 12 feet long. Here you can see more secondary beams are yet to be laid out. Here you can see 16 extra bar. Of span 6 feet. All inner beams are having two 12 top and two 12 bottom plus 116 straight bars. Here you can see the negative reinforcement at top provided. This steel, you can see it is of grade 550 GSW Neo steel. This column is of size 9" by 18" with 8 20 bars and 2 16 bars. This column is also of same steel reinforcement, 8 20 bars and 2 16 bars. Coming to this column is of 9" by 18" with 4 16 bars and 6 12 bars. This column is of 9" by 18" with 6 12 bars and 2 16 The 2 16 bars, as you can see, are at a 9" face of the column. This column is of 9 inch by 18 inch with 6 12 mm bars and 2 16 mm bars. This column is of 9 inch by 15 inches with 8 12 mm bars. As you can see, development length provided is around 4 inches. At the end, the top extra bar also provided. Top extra bar is of 2.5 feet. The first stirrup will start at 3 inch from the stirrup of the column. Coming to this column is having 4 16 mm and 6 12 mm bars. The stirrups are two-legged, 2 stirrups are there. Four 16 mm and 4 12 mm bars, 9 inch by 18 inch column. Eight 12 mm bars, 9 inch by 18 inch column. 6 12 mm bars, 9 inch by 15 inch column. The 3 bars are at the face, 9 inch faces only. This span is of 7 feet and it is for staircase. As you can see here also 9 inch by 15 inch column with 6 12 mm bars. Here 6 12 mm bars and 4 16 mm bars with 2 lateral ties. The built-up area is 42 feet by around 30 feet. So you can say 30 by 40 built-up area, and the plot area is 50 feet by 70 feet. It is a north-facing site. As you can see, road over there. There is also shed room constructed for the storage of materials.